Shapuzet, Shapuzet. What's up, guys? Sure, Kevs. Arley tag. Kwanota Josie was uncheck. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? So I put up a little poll yesterday about prop firms, and yeah, I think I wanted to discuss it because most of you guys actually said you've never traded prop firms, and I think what I'm gonna share with you guys today might really help you elevate, because yeah, prop firms did help me quite a lot actually. Let me just wait for some more people to join. Definitely I'll save the live and then put it on. What's up, guys? What's up? How's your Saturday? Sure, namesake. I'm just waiting for a few more people to join, and then yeah, we will discuss. I think this one will. Yo, what's up, Kelvin? How you doing, my dog? Shout out the only Lord. What's up, Aubrey? So what I'm gonna share with you guys today has really helped me. But yeah, we can proceed. I'm too young to trade for a prop firm. Actually, you're not. I'll show you. It's open to anyone. Okay. Sure, Owen. Oh, terrible. Sure, Kevs. Kitlali check my like. Like if it's a. But I boom 1,000 like. Right, just a few more people. I think once we hit 100, then we'll proceed. Once we hit 100 views, 8 more people. Yeah, then we'll proceed. And I'm going to show you guys with prop firms, okay? It will really help you scale up your trading quite a lot, actually, because it will give you access to funding that you wouldn't ordinarily get. As I guess most of people in my demographic don't even have access to such funds. So prop firms really help us with those. Anyway, 2 more minutes and then yeah, then we'll join. Then I'll proceed. But otherwise, how's your Saturday going? For those of you that have traded prop firms, what have been your challenges? For those that haven't, I believe you'll have more than enough reason to start trading with a prop firm. At least one of your accounts should be a prop firm account, like your long-term portfolio. Few more minutes. Do I trade on weekends? Yes, I scalp synthetics on weekends. So Freddy, what's up, guys? Dr. Martin, what's good, my brother? See Martin, Monday Motivations Day. Shout out Dr. Martin, my bro. Avril, what's good, my guy? Mr. Man. If you all right, anyway, so we've just hit 100 people. So I think we can proceed, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. First of all, what is a prop firm, right? I don't know if I'm audible. Can you guys hear me clearly before I proceed? Am I audible? Can you guys hear me clearly? All right, perfect, perfect. Namesake, kiri Wi-Fi it's my boy. But I'm gonna save the live so you can watch it anytime. You can watch it anytime. So what is a prop firm? Basically, a prop firm is it's the companies that fund or that give traders access to a lot of funds. By a lot of funds, I mean funds that you wouldn't ordinarily be available to trade. Like I did say, people from our demographic, there's no one who can say, no, I have $300,000 to put in the markets and start trading, right? Let alone 100,000, let alone $100,000. So prop firms actually give you the opportunity to trade those kind of funds. I remember when I started with prop firms, I was introduced by some guy called Benson from where I come from, Popala. Shout out to him, by the way. Yeah, I was trading funding talent at that time. So with a prop firm, guys, you get to basically purchase an account for a refundable fee. So let's say, for instance, I'll turn my screen just now and show you guys. Let's say, for instance, I want to buy a $10,000 account, right? Or I want to trade a $10,000 account. I can pay for that account with $99. Okay. Obviously, there's a catch. Firstly, the profits you make, you won't get 100% of your profits. There'll be profit splits and stuff. We have different types of prop firms. We have my forex funds. We have FTMO. We have the one that I talked about, funding talent, but it closed down. Hey, there was so many people were leaking from funding talent. I completely understand why they closed down. Anyway, so yeah, the one I use currently now is my forex funds. Okay, I'll show it to you guys. I'll show it to you guys. So after you purchase this account, they give you there's three different types of accounts you can purchase. You can purchase what's called a rapid account, right? With the rapid account, you only go through one test phase and then they give you your live account. All right. And then with an evaluation account, you go through two phases. What do I mean by two phases? I'm going to show you just now. How do I turn the camera again? There we go. All right. So with the evaluation account, right? Let's say I want to trade a $100,000 account, for instance. I'm going to use that because the metrics are easy. Let's say I want to trade a $100,000 account. I'm going to buy the account for $500. Okay. Remember, this $500 is refundable on your first withdrawal. Anyway, I purchased this account and then I go through phases. They'll give me a demo account of the same balance of $100,000. All right. Then I'll go through phases. Phase one would be I'd have to make a return of 8%, which means after I make a profit of 8% of $100 would be $800. So after I make a profit of $800, I go into phase two. Phase two, I have to make 5% of the account, which is $500. Right? It shouldn't be too tough on a $100,000 account to make $800 or $500. All right. Once I've passed these phases, you then get a live account, and they will give you a live account of $500,000. Let me check. Actually, I'm not on this phone, but I'll show you guys what the live account will look like. So you get a live account of $100,000, and you will be able to trade it, and then you take 80% of the profits you make from that, and they take 20% of the profits from that. I would advise you guys to go with the evaluation phase. Reason being, it shows you what kind of trader you are, all right? And it allows you, firstly, it's the cheapest, and also it allows you to be able to adjust to the kind of trading conditions that a prop firm will require from you, all right? Obviously now, because you're not trading your own funds, there will be risk parameters in the sense that you can't come over this is a risk blow or grow mentality. Okay, you can't come with the blow or grow mentality. You have to come with proper risk management. What I mean by that is that if you lose more than 5% of the account in a day, you will lose that account. They will take it back because you're not following strict risk management. Now, there's a way to beat this, guys, very systematically. And also because you're trading big accounts, you can use bigger lot sizes. So the returns are actually good. Okay? The returns are actually good. What I'd advise you to do then, obviously, I'm sure when you're watching trading videos on YouTube or anyway, they always say you don't risk more than 2% of your account. Don't risk more than yeah. If you have $1,000 or 1,000 rands or 10,000 rands, it's it's pointless. You can't trade and say I'm not going to risk more than 2% of my account because how long are you actually going to make money to not even change your life but to sustain yourself, right? Which is why I completely suggest a prop firm because with $100,000, if you're risking 2% a day, and my minimum risk to reward is 1:3 minimum, but because you're day trading, right, it can go up to 1:10, 1:20, 1:30. But nonetheless, if you're risking 2% of $100,000 account, that means you're risking $200. Okay. And that's about 3,000 plus rents. Okay. Okay. You're risking that to make, let's say you have a 1:5 risk to reward ratio, you're risking that to make 15,000 rents or $900, $800. It makes a lot more sense that way. All right. It makes a lot more sense that way. So what I would suggest you guys do is if you are purchasing, will you snap at $2,000? Okay, yeah. Sorry, $2,000. If you're purchasing, which is actually a lot more, actually, thanks for that, $2,000. So if you're gonna purchase $100,000 account for $500, that means that you'll be able to trade it and follow a good risk management, follow your strategy, depending on your win rate. Listen, guys, there's people who actually make money off of prop firms with a win rate of like 40%, even 30%, but they have a good risk to reward ratio. This thing of a 98% winning strategy, you're gonna chase the holy grail strategy for very long time. Okay, you're gonna trade like if you're winning 60% of your trades. Trust me, you are a very good trader. You're a very good trader, and the prop firm will show you, like the results will show you that you're actually a very good trader. Okay. So what I would suggest is one, buy the evaluation challenge. Okay. I like $100,000, but obviously if you can't raise $500 right now, you can only start with the $10,000 account, which is just below 100, or the $20,000 account, which is $140. But you have to follow risk management. Daily drawdown can't be more than 5%. Okay, which means you can't lose $5,000 in a day. Like, who loses $5,000 in a day? Either way, right? You have to be, I don't know, you're trading, yeah. So, which basically means you need to, before you take a trade, you need to know your risk to reward. Always have a stop loss. Okay, always have a stop loss, guys. You can really lick this thing. If you're making 10% in a month, you're getting $10,000 in a month. 10% is more than enough to not only sustain you, but to get you living. You know what I mean? And they give you 80% of those profits. So you receive $8,000 at the end of the month. The payouts are every 2 weeks. So yeah, if you're trading it, I'd advise you guys push maybe 2-3% returns a day. Man, 2-3%. Don't go too aggressive. This thing of blow or grow, it only works for people who are on the other side of the industry. What do I mean by people who are on the other side of the industry? I'm talking about people like us and my fellow brothers. Some of them are on the live right now. Okay, they have access to daily liquidity. What do I mean by that? If I post right now, mentorship is available. I can take a student's money fund, blow, grow. Next student, blow, grow. signals are available, get the money, fund, grow. Account management people, they also have the same, how can I say, privilege, because they're not risking their own money, right? Now, if you're on the other side, whereas you're not in our shoes, I would advise you to trade with risk, good risk, because you may earn maybe once a month, and hopefully you're looking to change that, which is a good thing. But if you're earning once a month, you can't fund $100 account and then start using big lot sizes or want to make $1,000 return. You see, the reason why I'm saying prop firms are so much beneficial is because if you fund $100 account, of course you're going to want like $500, $1,000. Am I correct? Yes, because that's money that makes a bit more sense. You can't say you want to make 3% on on $100 account. $3, what's $3 gonna do for you? I don't even think you can withdraw $3, right? So if you have that $100, rather buy a $10,000 account from a prop firm. Follow the risk management, guys. It will help you become very disciplined as a trader, for one, and two, you will always have a portfolio to trade, or you'll always have an account that you can trade. Okay, follow the risk management. Follow the risk management. So, like I explained, do not risk more than, let's say, 1% a trade. If you're on $100,000 account, you can use lot size 5 on gold. Okay, you can use lot size 5 on gold. You guys know, for those of you that are traders, you already know how much gold will pay you if you're using lot size 5 on gold or GBP, USD, or whatever, right? For those of you guys that are just joining, don't worry, I will share this live afterwards. I'll keep it on my feed, and I'll share it, to my story as well. But I don't know if you guys are following. Um, if you have any questions, you can ask. If you have any questions, you can ask. Do you guys have any questions? So, like I was saying, obviously, hey, give me that name, man, later. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Like I said, obviously you'll have a trading plan. On your trading plan, you can have 5 things where okay, there are 2 types of entries you're going to enter. You don't risk more than this much, and you don't enter unless your risk to reward is like 1:3, 1:5, whatever it is. One. How do I get another size 5 gold now? Send a later. Send. I'll check out marine. No, I'm joking. But yeah, with a prop firm, basically with some access to so much funds, you get a chance to actually make a decent return, to not only sustain yourself, but to make a career or to make a business out of trading, where that, like I said, if you have 10% return on a $100,000 account, you're getting $10,000. Getting $10,000 every 2 weeks. If you have 10% every 2 weeks, it's so easy to make. Okay, it's not easy, but it's so simple to make 10% return, right? I'm sure all of you traders have made at least 10% returns on whatever it is you're trading. But the problem is that 10% hasn't been enough, right? Let's say, like I said, you find $100 and you make 10%. What are you going to do with $10, right? So I don't know if you guys have any questions. Why don't you get multiple prop firms accounts and use a trade copier? Okay, some prop firms will not allow you, short terms. Some prop firms will not allow you to use a copy trading, right? But if you need assistance with trading your prop firm account, feel free to hit me up. Okay, feel free to hit me up. We'll take you through. We'll take you through how to actually set up the risk, how to trade it, or even help we manage the portfolio on its own. A prop firm is owned by brokers in the sense that I can deal with a broker to own a prop firm under them. Okay, OT, this is a bit off topic, but yeah, if you do want to open your own prop firm, you're going to need a liquidity provider. A liquidity provider basically being a company or someone who has enough money to back up your what you call your withdrawals firstly and the funds that you're going to use. So it's always that people usually partner with brokers because brokers already have liquidity providers, right? What are your thoughts on my Forex funds prop firm, or which prop firms would you actually recommend? My Forex funds, my man, is a proper top. It's a top prop firm. That's the one I'm currently trading. I'll join you guys. Final month 3 when we get to trading. That's when I take over and assist with you guys in trading. So if I lose 5% on demo, it means I won't qualify to be funded. If you lose 5% in a day, actually, if you lose just over 5% in a day, then yes, your account will be voided. But if you're still on phase 1, they give you a chance to try again. Also, like I'm saying, why are you losing 5%, my brother, in a day? Why are you losing $5,000 in a day? Sure, do you want? Right? So do you guys have any more questions? So yeah, my Forex funds is a prop firm that I really, really suggest for you guys. Again, the benefits are that you get access to funds that you wouldn't get ordinarily to trade. Okay. And you can now actually work on proper risk management. As I mentioned, unfortunately, the guys on our end or us in the industry will post shorty bond. People on our end will post 1,000% returns. But like I said, if you're on the other end of trading and you don't have other streams of income like mentorship, like signals, or any other business that generates almost daily income, I wouldn't suggest that you trade like that because you're risking way too much of money that you can honestly not afford to lose, right? So yeah, if you have $100,000 account on the prop firm, you can easily target 5-10%, 5% returns a week. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Now I'll save the video, KG. I'll save the video and I'll put it up on my feed. But yeah, 5% returns a week. You get paid out every second week. That means you'll be receiving about $8,000 every 2 weeks. I think that's good enough to not only sustain you, but to silence the haters. So do you guys have any questions? Deal, account, or scroll for withdrawals? Listen, they use Deal. Deal is another what you call payment processing system. They use Deal and Skrill, but I wouldn't suggest you use either of those because firstly, with Deal, they're gonna pay directly to your account. All right. There's implications when paying directly to your account. Like for now, I know where I come from in Botswana. If you're trading and let's say even private and affluent clients at FNB, if you're withdrawing dollars like that, they don't want you. They don't want you because our country is grey listed. So I'd always suggest you use crypto. Crypto withdrawals are quick. And then anytime you need money from your crypto, if you're an SA, there's crypto ATMs. There's a crypto ATM in Rosebank. You can go get cash. If you're in bots, there's payment agents. And you can also directly withdraw crypto to your account. But obviously, it will be in sizable amounts, right? like I'm saying, because our country is grey listed, anti-money laundering, um, it's not advisable. It's not advisable for you to use deal directly to withdraw. For those of you guys that just joined, I will save the live for you guys, and yeah, I'll put it up. I'll put it up on my feed. Is it true all prop firm accounts are demo and you get profits straight from the firm and not from the account? It depends. We can't say all, right? Because we don't know what's happening in the back office. You don't know what's happening in the back office. But obviously, if you're highly, I know that some have systems where the best performing clients, which is basically the most disciplined clients who trade a strategy and follow it, they actually copy trade those trades, right? Even if they are demo and you get profits straight from the firm, as long as you get your profits, my guy, what happens in the back office, right? I mean, much like a bank, you deposit your money. It's not like the bank keeps it. By law, they keep like 3 to 5%. So either way, what happens in the back office, yeah, you don't want to dwell too much into it. As long as when you get your withdrawals, right? So yeah, guys. I don't know if there's any more questions. I see some people are requesting to join, but I will save the live. I will save the live afterwards. Any more questions? I'll save the live for you guys, definitely. But I hope it was a bit informative, and I hope it will help some of you guys. What do you think about ICT concepts? I think ICT concepts are good. I use them on a daily basis. But there's this thing about like ICT guys, like guys who only follow ICT. They're so theoretical. You'll know everything. You'll say, no, there's the FVG, there's that order block, there's the breaker block, a continuation block, there's that, but you don't make money. I don't know why that is. And also ICT guys, I mean Michael Huddleston is obviously the guy who started ICT. We appreciate him because he has helped us become profitable. His concepts are now, using smart money, and we use them on a daily basis. But in almost all of his teachings, about 10 to 15 minutes of them, he's talking bad about other traders and other strategies. At the end of the day, like I did say, and like the prop firm will show you, it's not really about are you winning 80% or 90% of the time. It's are you managing your risk? Because obviously you'll see once you purchase an account, you get access to the Discord. You'll see other traders on there who have more losses than wins and are still profitable, right? So ICT traders tend to have this theoretical thing. They can really mark out a chart, just don't make money. I don't know. Maybe that's just my opinion, but that's what I've seen quite a bit. Because you market chart, chancer, there's AVG there, this, that, there. Yeah, I missed that critical information. What are implications on withdrawal directly in bank account here in BW? I would not advise you to withdraw, especially if you're like gonna be making the returns. We're talking like 10%. I wouldn't advise you to withdraw to your Botswana account, okay? Because remember, Botswana, like I said, is grey listed. Even if you're a private and affluent client in your bank, they keep away from people who are trading because of the money laundering laws. So keep your money in crypto, withdraw what you need. If you're an SA, there's crypto ATMs. You can go and cash directly from the ATM. There's one in Rosebank and another one in Sandton City. Those are the ones that we know about. I've been backtesting ICT concepts. No, 100% they are profitable. ICT concepts are very profitable. What I said was a lot of ICT traders get so stuck in the theory that they don't actually make money. They always obsess over the chart, right? So yeah, if you guys have any more questions, I think I'm gonna end the live in about 2 minutes because I did share what it is I needed to share. If there's anyone who needs assistance after setting up your prop account, hit us up, hit me up, hit the treasury page up, and yeah, we'll take it from there. But crypto is too volatile. What if it crashes and you can't take funds? By crypto, I don't mean Bitcoin or Ethereum because those are heavy. Just keep it on USDC, USD Cash, or USDT. Those are cryptos that are 1:1 with the dollar, right? So they're not volatile, actually. They're only as volatile as the dollar. So yeah, keep it in USDT or USDC. Please save the live. We join late. Definitely, I'll save the live for those of you guys that join late. Then you can have a look at it. Yeah, but for those of you guys that have been on the live, I hope you found it was a bit informative and can help you scale up. Okay, so Adolf has a question. He says, how does one scale up in trading? I've been consistently profitable for a year now, but I'm still struggling to scale up. How does one transition from using 0.3 bigger lots? This is the perfect life for you, bro. I'm guessing you joined early. I mean, you joined late. So yeah, this is actually the perfect life for you. Watch this live afterwards, okay? Because it will show you how to access bigger funds in order for you to then use bigger lots and in return get better withdrawals. Right, right, right. So I believe we don't have. Can you touch on the psychology required to become a profitable trader? Yeah, definitely. I think profitability at some point, like I said, after you've learned the theory and concepts, is really based on you as a person, on your emotions, right? Um, I'd suggest there's a local guy actually who does Dr. Martin. He's on this live. He does like Martin Monday motivations. I suggest you watch those as well. They're very good for psychology. But at the end of the day, beyond psychology, you need to have a solid strategy and a trading plan. Okay? Because the only time your psychology would really mess with you is if you don't have a clear plan. Right? If the plan is blurry or the vision is blurry, it's gonna be difficult for you to manage your psychology. What do I mean by have a plan? If you see a specific setup, enter that trade with a certain risk to reward ratio. You've already back tested it. So if that setup has a 60% winning ratio, stick to that setup. Every time you see it, take the trade with a specific risk to reward ratio. All right. That way you have a set of rules. Okay. And no matter how you feel, you will follow those rules. Right. So rule-based trading really helps with psychology. You can go deeper into psychology. Okay. You can go deeper and like read books by people like Mark Douglas, Trading Inside the Zone, or The Psychology of Trading. Or you can also look at topics on behavioral finance. They'll teach you psychology. But in short, if you don't have a systematic approach, you're going to have an emotional approach. One makes you profitable, the other is just an addictive roller coaster that really doesn't get you anywhere. So yeah, does reading books and listening to podcasts help with psychology? Definitely, definitely. It will help you with psychology. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the live. I hope you found it informative. I will save it for you guys and you can watch it afterwards next. Otherwise, I hope you're having a good a good Saturday. On a light note, I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. What are you guys up to? Where you guys at? Yo, Mustafa, how are you, brother? How are you, my man? It's been a while. So yeah, guys, I hope the live was informative, right? And it will. Hope it helps you scale up your trading. Like I said, if you need help, all right, KG, I'll check it out. If you need help scaling up your trading, if you need help scaling up your trading, prop firms are the way to go because they will give you access to funds that you will. Like I'm saying, in this demographic with this skin color, it's almost impossible to just wake up and have access to $300,000, right? But here you do. It's almost hard to get access to $100,000, but here it is, right? At a huge discount, and then all it needs is just your discipline and your continue trading. If you need assistance, like I said, once you have your prop firm account, hit me up. You can hit me up once you have your prop firm account. Okay. Only after you have your prop firm account do you have that do you have that fundamentals macroeconomics. Do you find that fundamentals or macroeconomics have the same influence on shorter time as higher time frames? I mean, if we're looking at fundamentals, there's always the most important. They come in different tiers, right? You have the most important being inflation, interest rates, and then inflation, right? Inflation comes in the form of the CPI report. Interest rate is directly related to interest rates. So yeah, they have a direct influence in the sense that they give you the overall trend. Remember, shorter time frame only obeys higher time frame, right? So CPI interest rate decisions will give you a whole quarter, let's say 3 months of directional bias, and then the lower time frame will obey that directional bias. So yes, they do. And every time we have news releases that come out, there's always, a reach for liquidity. There's always a reach for liquidity. What do I mean by reach for liquidity? The market moves in ways you wouldn't see it ordinarily move for a reason. Which prop firm should we go with? I use my Forex funds. Okay, I find FTMO to be a bit stringent, a bit strict as a starter. But yeah, I guess the questions that are coming now, I've already addressed them since the beginning of the live. So I'll just save the live and then you guys can watch the live. Please do share the live to whoever 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 might find it beneficial. Okay? Otherwise, enjoy your Saturday, guys. Enjoy your Saturday. Once you've got your profile accounts, I can definitely it can definitely help you out. Ne? What's up, guys? For those of you guys who are just joining, we're talking about prop firms. I'll save the live so that you guys can see it. Try updating your YouTube channel, bro. I'll try, bro. I will. I'll push. I'll push. I don't know why I find. I guess just being in the camera every day, I find it a bit, you know, a bit weird. I'm not used to it. I'm used to just trading my own little space. But I guess it will benefit quite a lot of people. It will benefit quite a lot of people. Soul District BW. Show Black. Actually, Black, remember, guys, I mentioned Benson. Black was Benson's partner who introduced me to prop firms, by the way. So big shout out to him. Should we inbox you? Definitely. Definitely. If you need assistance on passing the evaluation phase, if you need assistance on just trading and managing the account, you can hit me up. On prop firms, though, please don't hit me up with yeah, anything outside of what we're discussing here. Otherwise, it just makes it a bit dreary to respond. what the calculate. All right, guys. The mentorship starts from $125. How much is your mentorship? Starts from $125. So yeah, guys, enjoy your Saturday. For those of you that just joined, I will save the live. Do check it out. It'll help you scale up on your trading. Okay. As much as it helped me, it'll help you scale up on your trading. But what's up, Vincent? On a lighter note, outside of work, how's your Saturday looking? What are you guys up to? Where you guys at? What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, guys. So I will put the live up. I guess we don't have any more questions. So I'll put it up for you guys. And yeah. I was not in chat that one minute. Hey, we are net like that. I can tell honestly, hey, honestly, honestly, don't worry, Mr. T, if you arrive late. You have a look at what you call at the live afterwards. Next one by Rishapo Helamon. It's a bag and mark. It's a bag and mark. I like that. Guys. Winter's coming anyway. I feel like winter is that season where even God just reminds you, or my man, please dose yourself, spend time, hibernate, spend time to hibernate and just build yourself, acquire skill, build your numbers, just work. You'll come out and shine in the summertime. But yeah, if you're looking into this is the perfect thing to do over winter. Sit down and just trade your prop firm account. Scale it up, make your 5% a week. 5% a week. Remember, it sounds small, but that's like $5,000. It's something. Or check out link BW. I'll be there, guys. Off topic, please upload the migration for mitigation and break a block. No stress, my bro. Yeah, work all winter, shine all summer. This season is there for a reason. So yeah, guys, please do share the live with people who, with your mates, with your friends who might really find it beneficial and who that they're really dedicated to trading, but they just need that edge to scale up because prop firms are the way. Prop firms are the way to scale up. Then you can build your own little portfolio on the side. I'm not saying only trade a prop firm. I'm not saying only trade a prop firm, but yeah, always have a prop firm account trading. The returns on the this percentage returns, percentage returns, 5-10% every 2 weeks. You're on. You're on. You're on. Let's work, guys. There's more than if you're looking for inspiration, just check my stories out there. One of the qualities in one, giving me so much reason to work. Forex bulls and bears. What up, my boy? I see you killing it that side, brother. So yeah, guys, check out prop firms. Have your set of rules. Remember, have your fixed risk management plan. Have your rules of entry, and then just stay consistent, stay robotic. The income will really scale you up. All right, guys. Enjoy your Saturday. Enjoy your Saturday. I'm out. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Yeah, I hope it was beneficial. I try not to waste your time when I do go live. Try and make it at least a bit worth it. So yeah, get those prop firm accounts and hit me up. You know, let's push those. All winter, your number isn't working, bro. I think you're maybe trying to call my bot's number. It will not go through. It's only available on WhatsApp. It will not go through. It's on a number. So you can just hit it up on WhatsApp. All right, guys. Definitely, I'll save the live and then we'll take it from there. There's 2 people requesting to join the live. Let me hear. Maybe they have something to say. And then for those of you who just joined, of course, like I did say, I'll save the live for you guys. I think the first 10 to 15 minutes were important. You don't have to watch the whole thing. It started becoming a bit repetitive, but the first 10 to 15 minutes were the critical parts. Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. Enjoy your Saturday. I'll see you guys. The next live also, I'll try to be a bit more informative than now. I'll get back to you now. I'm right there. Yeah, I'll get back to you just now. All right, guys. Enjoy your. Okay, there's someone here trying to join.
What's up, man, guy?
Bro, man.
I'm okay.
What's
I
up,
see
man?
that you're sharing knowledge that side, eh? I'm seeing that you're sharing some
Pardon?
knowledge that side. Yeah.
Yeah, my man.
Huh?
What else? Let's try share. And what
Let's
else
try
can we
to
do? Let's
share
try
what we
share what we
know,
know,
you know. Everyone has the back. Let's try to share what we know. And I'm hearing that you later. So I've been hearing that you're talking about prop firms and what's so not.
I see you've been playing it
It's
on your
bad,
side.
eh?
I was saying, I see you've been killing it
You've
on
been
your side
working,
there.
my guy. You've been working. As you say, you know, winter time you must
Nice.
hibernate, and then in the summer you must come out.
Of course. But yeah, you should check out and hit me up as well. Let's push these prop
Yeah,
from accounts, see what we can do. Because them they're
yeah.
nice
I'm
on the
currently
long
also
term.
pushing prop firms. I'm also doing a giveaway. I've partnered with the Forex Fund.
Yeah.
Yeah,
My
I'm doing a giveaway accounts with the Forex Fund.
Oh, there you go, guys. The perfect person to join our live. Perfect person. Please
Yeah,
let
no,
them know
the
how they can get the
instructions.
funded
If
accounts.
they can just go to my profile there. There's a video. All the details are there. The winners are gonna be announced on Tuesday. So yeah, guys, you can go check out the competition. You never know; it might be the lucky one. And then
How much is the?
it's
How much are they
200K
winning?
accounts, 225K
200K
accounts.
accounts.
So it's 4
Okay.
in total. In dollars.
Okay. Yeah, and that's important. That's an important
But
point.
otherwise, shout out, man. We'll talk, eh?
All right, my bro. Thanks for joining. You heard that, guys. You can get your $100,000 account. So he is giving away $200,000 accounts and 225. Check his video on his profile. Yeah, he's giving it away by Tuesday. I'm hoping one of you guys will be the winners. I'm hoping one of you guys will be the winners. Thanks, man.
The brother from
Thanks for that one.
Killing it.
Don't find out. Mm, mm. Yeah, so there we go. There we go. There we go. There's an opportunity for those of you guys that have been following. There's an opportunity.
So red man.
Sharp is it?
Monato red man. So lirabe anzaga red man. We rinyari chele. Rinyari chele. Rinyari chele red man. Wabona rawira red man.
Wabo. Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, we're talking about prop firms that. So the previous guy who just joined the live is giving away the prop firm. You know, you can win. You can get your account about $100,000 or whatever for a lower price. So boy trader we push over sometime.
It's like a forex trading account.
Yeah, it's a trading account. You just get it, and then obviously, I don't know. Have you been trading?
Yeah, I have been trading.
What are you trading right now, my guy?
I'm trading XNS.
XNS, huh? Yeah. Yeah, so you're trading FX. You can actually, the prop firm, it'll help you a lot because obviously with XNS, you have to find your own money. They don't give you money,
Alright.
Yeah. So with the prop
so shout out. I'm gonna check it out. Check it out.
Check out prop firms, check out my Forex funds. You can get like a $5,000 account for my $50. Trade it, and then you get 80% of the profit. They get 20% of the profit. It'll help you, man.
Are we?
Sure, bro.
Shout out, fam.
Saturday, my guy.
Shout out.
Sure, Papa.
That's how you gonna make me money, niggas. That's how you gonna make me money. You know. That's how I make me money, nigga. Leave.
Hi. Sips drink. All right, guys. So yeah, I believe the point of the live, we've reached our conclusion. Okay, yeah, I guess we've reached the conclusion of our live. Let's push, my boys. Let's push. We'll chat. We'll stay. Lala peace. KB Wala peace. Lala peace. Nah, the other KB. Sure, Scara, what's good, my bro? So yeah, I'll save the live, guys. It's about prop firms. You can scale up your funding. I talk about everything. I think I've addressed everything. How to scale up your funding, how to trade your prop firm. And then of course, after you get your account, you can hit me up. You can hit up the TC page and we see how we can push those prop firm accounts. Sure, Josie. So yeah. All right, guys. Enjoy your Saturday, Enjoy your Saturday. I see there's no one else requesting to join. I guess there's no more questions. No more questions. Nasty. Hey, hamburger nasty. See we join. All right, guys. Now, enjoy your weekend, guys. We'll chat. We'll chat. I'll save the live. I'll put it up for those of you who want to learn and know more about prop firms and how to scale up your trading. By scale up, I mean how to actually be able to use these big lot sizes, how to earn a bit more, and how to get access to higher account balances to trade. Okay? All right, guys. Enjoy your start today. Cheers.